Welcome back to the OrganizedPreneur Podcast Launchpad, where we help purpose driven women to launch, host, and grow a podcast that fuels their business with strategy, systems, and simplicity. This is where strategy and systems meet simplicity. I'm your host, Aldreama Harper, and today we're diving into a topic that's really going to hit home for a lot of you. I hope. I think so. So let me ask you something. Are you creating content or just making noise? Keep the hustle tight. All dreamers got the wisdom, breaking it down. Clarity and chaos, wearing that crown. So, on an ongoing basis, I talk to so many incredible women. Women who are posting daily, batching like, pros and repurposing content and just really doing all the things. But here's the thing. The reason that I asked that question is because a lot of them that I talk to say their content is not converting. And I believe that the reason why, or one of the reasons why, is because they don't have a system. Content without a system is really just expensive noise. It's time, it's energy, it's mental space, all going down the drain. And here's the thing. You're investing sometimes 20 hours a week into podcast episodes, posts, newsletters that don't drive action. It doesn't build your list. It doesn't generate leads. So let's just do the math on this. I think this is really going to hit home. So if your time is worth, say, $100 an hour, and you spend 20 hours a week creating content that leads nowhere, that is $2,000 a week and $104,000 a year gone. Now, let that sink in. I'll wait. That's what I call expensive noise. And so let's just shift gears a little bit once you kind of pick your mouth up off the ground. When I say content system, I'm not talking about complicated software or just a bunch of automation tools. No. I'm talking about intentional structure, a clear path from your content to your business goals. So in my Launch, Host, and Grow coaching circle, I teach this in 3 phases. It's really the best approach that I have found, that I have been using for years, but didn't have a name for it. So launch a podcast, this is where you lay the foundation, you lay strategic foundation before you even hit the record button. From defining your niche to aligning your message with your offer, etc. Host events, whether it's weekly podcast episodes or virtual workshops. This phase focuses on creating repeatable systems for consistent content production and audience engagement. It's about showing up regularly with ease and not stress. And then grow your email. This is where it all comes together. This is where we connect your podcast and your events to list building and lead generation systems that turn your content into conversations, clients, and conversions. And each phase supports the next. Your launch gives you content direction. Hosting event keeps it consistent and systemized. Growing your email list ensures that your effort leads to outcomes. And this is how we move from scattered activity to strategic visibility, one phase at a time. It's not about doing more. It's about making what you're already doing work smarter. And that's what I've discovered. And so this is where it all comes together. So I want you to try this content system. Purpose, production, distribution, conversion. Okay, I want you to try this 4-part framework. Purpose. What is the goal of your content? Don't just post because it's Tuesday. Create intention. Okay, purpose. Okay, production. Use templates, checklists, workflows to reduce friction and stay consistent. Okay, number 3, have a plan. Post with a purpose. Email with a funnel in mind. And then lastly, conversion. Guide people to the next step. Whether it's a freebie or a call or a product or what have you, don't leave them hanging. And with these 4 parts working together, your content becomes a lead generator, not just another social media post getting lost in the scroll, because that's what people are doing. They're just scrolling. Okay. Now, I know some of you are thinking, but Aldreama, I'm creative. Systems are going to kill my flow. Nah, no, they won't. As a matter of fact, systems free you to focus on creativity because you're not constantly reinventing the wheel, rethinking, what should I do now? What's next? Oh, I forgot to do this. Things getting lost in the crack. When structure is in place, you can pour your energy into your message. And that's what makes your content powerful. I've seen it over and over again. Brilliant women with amazing content, but no systems to get it seen or make it convert. Don't let that be you. And so don't let that be you. And let me add this, because you all know I build everything I teach on faith-based foundations. Creating systems isn't just smart business. It's stewardship. God gave you these gifts, these ideas, this voice, and a system is how you protect it, how you make the most of it, and how you serve your audience with excellence. So here's the challenge. Take one piece of content this week and ask yourself, what's the purpose? How will I produce it? Where will I share it? And what is the next step for my audience? Start there, then build it. And of course, if you need help building that system that supports your content and your calling, I want you to check out the Launch, Host, and Grow Coaching Circle. There will be a link in the show notes where you can click on and find out more about it. You don't have to do this alone. So, if this episode was a light bulb moment for you, then feel free to share with someone else who's tired of making that expensive noise. Like, who needs that? And I would love it if you would rate, review, or follow the show so you don't miss a strategy, or miss an episode, or miss anything that could transform your podcast and your business. So, this is Aldreama signing off for now. I look forward to seeing you in your earbuds, and until next time, stay organized, focused, and purposed.